Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin, and today on Dash and Run, well, we're back looking at these coins again, and this is another one of those Doctor Who coins, but this one I didn't actually know came out, and this is for the 2017 series, or the 10th series of Doctor Who. So anyway, like all my videos, let's have a closer look at this coin. Okay, so the first thing out the box is basically this card, and on the back you've got a bit of information about Series 10 and the mint number, which is 0141, so it's quite low, but it's a 10,000 series, so there's quite a number of them. So that's the first thing out the box. Next is the actual coin itself, and it's a really nice coin. I mean, it's got the Queen's head on the back like all the others, but it's got a lot of the villains that appeared in the 10th series, including the Doctor and Bill and Nardole, on the front, and they're in a nice coloured look. And again, it's one that sort of slipped past me because I never saw this actually advertised as one that you could get from the Perth Mint, so I don't know if this will come out in a larger scale everywhere, but overall, it's really a nice looking coin. Well, there you go. There's my quick look at a Doctor Who silver coin for Series 10 of the 2017 series of Doctor Who. Now, I don't know if they'll do some more coins for the new female Doctor or for the new series, but overall, this is good to add to your collection if you've been collecting the Doctor Who silver coins like I have. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.